How to transfer ChatGPT conversation to another account. Have you ever needed to move an important ChatGPT conversation from one account to another, but had absolutely no idea where to start? Maybe you're switching accounts, sharing work with a colleague, or simply reorganizing how you use ChatGPT across multiple profiles. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through every available method so you can transfer your conversations cleanly and without losing a single message. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're covering exactly how to transfer a ChatGPT conversation to another account in 2026. Now, it's important to be upfront with you right from the start. ChatGPT does not currently have a built-in one-click transfer feature that moves conversations directly between two separate accounts. But there are several completely legitimate and effective workarounds that get the job done perfectly. Let's get straight into it. First, open the ChatGPT conversation you want to transfer on your original account. Look for the Share button at the top right corner of the chat window. Click it, and ChatGPT will instantly generate a shareable public link to that entire conversation. Copy that link, and you now have a portable version of your conversation that can be accessed by anyone, including your other account. Second, log into your second ChatGPT account either in a different browser, an incognito window, or on a different device. Open the shared conversation link you just copied. You'll be able to view the entire conversation in read-only mode, and from there, you can continue the discussion by clicking the option to continue this conversation, which will create a copy of it inside your second account. Third, if you want a permanent saved copy rather than just a shareable link, go back to your original account and export your entire ChatGPT data. Click on your profile icon at the bottom left, go to Settings, then click on Data Controls and select Export Data. ChatGPT will prepare a full data export and email a download link to your registered email address within a few minutes. Fourth, once you receive that export download link, open it and extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find your complete conversation history saved as JSON files. These files contain every single message from every conversation you've ever had on that account and serve as a permanent backup you can store and reference anytime you need. Fifth, to make that exported data readable and usable on your second account, copy the text content from the relevant conversation inside the JSON file and paste it into a Google Doc or Word document. You can then paste key sections of that conversation directly into a new chat on your second account as context, allowing the new account's ChatGPT to continue working from exactly where the original conversation left off. Sixth, for an even simpler approach, when you just need to move a specific piece of work rather than the entire conversation, manually copy the most important messages or outputs from your original account conversation and paste them as a starting prompt in a fresh chat on your second account. This is the quickest method when you only need to transfer specific information rather than the complete conversation history. Pro tip: before switching accounts or closing access to your original ChatGPT account, always do a full data export first, regardless of whether you think you'll need it. Your conversation history contains valuable context, ideas, and outputs that are incredibly difficult to recreate from scratch. Taking 5 minutes to export everything before making any account changes protects months or even years of valuable AI-assisted work that you may not even realize you'll need later. So to recap, use the share link to make your conversation accessible to your second account. Continue the shared conversation to create a copy. Export your full data through ChatGPT settings for a permanent backup, and manually paste key context into a new chat when you need a quick and simple transfer. Every one of these methods is completely free and fully within ChatGPT's terms of service. If this video helped you protect and move your important conversations, hit that like button, subscribe for more ChatGPT guides in 2026. And drop a comment below telling me, are you transferring conversations for personal use or for a team or business workflow? I read every single comment and would love to hear your situation. See you in the next one.